What's up, guys? Okay, so on Wednesday, August 9th, I got in ACHN. I was actually surprised that day because the small caps actually ran a decent amount compared to how the market's been the last few weeks, where the small caps have just been slow and choppy. And so I decided to get in ACHN at about $4.87 with only 100 shares. My plan before I even got in this trade was that I would buy a small amount of share size on ACHN early. If it broke over that $5 point, I would then add more and hopefully make a decent profit on this trade. So you can see here right at the open ACHN, it ran up a little bit and then it dipped back down right before testing the $5 point. I thought that looked like a really good setup. It had a lot of strength. Ran all the way up from about 460 to 490 and the first few minutes of the market. And so then when it finally did touch that $5 range and consolidate a little bit under it, I was pretty confident that ACHN would eventually push up over that $5 point, and you can see here that's exactly what it starts to do. It pushes over $5 relatively quickly after I got into this trade. I might have held it for a minute or two, but it definitely wanted to shoot over that $5 point. Looking back on this trade, if I had to critique it at all, I probably should have just held the whole time. I actually had two profitable trades yesterday on Wednesday, and so yesterday was a pretty good day in the market. Actually, to be honest, I had three profitable trades, two on UStock and one on Robinhood. And so you can see here I added another 91 shares right when it broke over $5. And this is definitely something I like about UStock. I'm able to scale in and out of positions and, at first approach the trade with a small share size. And then if it actually does what I want it to, I add more. I think this is the best way to trade. It's the safest way to trade. It allows you to get in with only a small share size at first, and like I said, then if it actually does what you want it to, then you can add share size later. And at that point, if the stock ends up dropping down, you can exit for almost break-even trade. And if the stock does end up going in your direction, you're up big and you're up a decent amount. And so that's the trading style I've been implementing with UStock, and it's been working great. And so yeah, just be on the lookout for another video. I have one coming up. I didn't get to posting it last night. I'm on vacation right now, and I was out visiting with family last night until late last night, and so I just didn't have the time to edit that video. So it is currently Thursday morning at about 9:15 in the morning. The market should be opening up in 15 minutes, and so if I do get any more good trade videos, I should be able to post them hopefully today, but I should also post my other trade video from yesterday before I post my newer videos anyways. And so yeah, this was my trade for today. I think I rode ACHN up to around $5.11 before I exited for a nice $30 gain on my small account. And so yeah, I was definitely happy with this trade. I probably should have held throughout the whole push, but I got to take profits when I can. Anyways, guys, this was my trade. I exit right here. If you want to keep watching more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.